Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Heto ang mga laro ng MPBL ngayong September 11, 2023 na gaganapin sa Mayor Vitaliano Diagan Coliseum sa Zamboanga City. Sa first game maghaharap ang Batangas City kontra sa Quezon Huskers alas 6 ng gabi. At sa main game maglalaban ang Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards kontra sa Zamboanga Families Brand Sardines alas 8 ng gabi. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ngayon as of August 25, 2023. Sa North Division, Quezon City to the Action Fresh 3 wins 23 losses. Valenzuela Shore Homes 3 wins 22 losses. Manila Stars 3 wins 22 losses. Bulacan Coyas 6 wins 19 losses. Paranaque Patriots 10 wins 15 losses. Rizal Golden Colors 11 wins 14 losses. One Bataan Risers 13 wins 12 losses. Marikina Showmasters 14 wins 11 losses. Pasay Voyagers 15 wins 9 losses. Caloocan City 18 wins 8 losses. Pasig City MCW Sports 18 wins 8 losses. Makati Okibit Kings 18 wins 7 losses. San Juan Knights 19 wins 5 losses. Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards 21 wins 4 losses. At nangungunang Pampanga Giant Lanterns 23 wins 2 losses. Sa South Division naman, Bicol Volcanoes 1 win 25 losses. Laguna Croatia 3 wins 22 losses. Oriental Mindoro Disciplinados 4 wins 21 losses. Negros Mascovados 10 wins 16 losses. Bacolod Mascaras 10 wins 16 losses. Sarangani Marlins 10 wins 15 losses. Iloilo United Royals 11 wins 15 losses. Imos East Squad 12 wins 12 losses. Muntinlupa Kidgers 14 wins 10 losses. Zamboanga Families Brand Sardines 17 wins 8 losses. Quezon Huskers 17 wins 7 losses. Jinsan Warriors 19 wins 6 losses. Batangas City 19 wins 5 losses. At nangungunang Bacoor City Strikers 21 wins 4 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.